Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in QuickBooks Point of Sale we are going to talk about copying records, or you might call it copying documents. This is a nice way to save yourself a load of work if you do it the correct way to kind of brighten and expound on efficiency in your business. Copying documents can help you and save you a lot of time, and there's also sometimes when you actually need to copy a document in order to fix something. So we're going to go over that in a moment. Before we do, I'm going to have you click on the link in the description down below. Get over to our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group. Join up there and you can inquire and ask questions about things you don't know about in QuickBooks Point of Sale. We have a great community of Point of Sale users over there for QuickBooks Point of Sale. Constant questions every day, lots of information being put out there. It's a great place to be. And if you're on YouTube today, go ahead and hit subscribe so you get all the latest, greatest QuickBooks Point of Sale videos coming at you all the time. Okay, we are speaking of copying documents. There are numerous different screens in QuickBooks Point of Sale where you can use copy in order to create kind of a new instance of something you've done in the past. So quickly, I'm going to point out you can copy purchase orders, you can copy receiving vouchers, you can copy receipts, you can copy customers, you can copy vendors. I think you can even copy departments. But really, and then of course you can copy items. So all over the place you can use what we would call copy in order to create a new instance that is very much like the one that you are originating from. So let me go through what this looks like and why you might do this. So in sales history, you can find a past receipt of a customer's, and here in sales history, I would normally use the copy function if I screwed something up, mainly. Let's find a receipt with numerous things on it. I guess I only have, most of the time I only have one or two things. All right. Can I find a good one? Is this a good one? It's a regular sales receipt. Nope, that was a return. Sorry, this take a moment. Okay, here we took a check and we had two items, but if I had screwed up on this, such as right now I'm not seeing a customer name on this receipt, and it has been sent to QuickBooks, so if I wanted to, I could actually make a new copy of the receipt, throw the customer's name on it, and then reverse the old one, and that would help make sure that we know that it's under the right customer. Otherwise, let's see, purchase orders. The reason why you might use copy in a purchase order is, let's say you order the same thing from the same vendor once a month. So if you go in your PO list and you find the last time you ordered it, here it's automatically going to open up to the open purchase orders, but I'm going to go to all purchase orders and I'm going to find the closed one. So let's say that I order these 5 items once a month from Knives Unlimited because that's just how my flow goes. I normally sell 5 a month. Well, if I highlight it and I hit copy PO, then I will create a brand new PO for the same exact 5 items, and it's all ready to go, and all I need to do is send it to them. And it was just that quick. I don't have to go ahead and of course this is going to save you a lot of time if you're doing POs with a whole bunch of different items every month. So there you go. You just go ahead and copy the purchase order you did last month, and you can just keep copying it like a template every single month. Items, if you have a whole bunch of items that are very similar, then you could create the first one and you could just create copy after copy after copy and just change one or two little pieces of the item, maybe part of the name. And if they all have like the same price and the same cost and all that kind of stuff, it's going to save you a ton of time to go ahead and copy on your order items. Receiving voucher, you might copy that once in a while. Maybe if you just screwed it up and you want to redo it. I see receiving vouchers copied if you actually something didn't get in there. Maybe the shipping and freight did not get in there. You can go ahead and make a copy and reverse the old one. Otherwise, I wouldn't see a reason why you would need to copy that over and over again unless you did a screw up there. Customers, I guess you could copy a customer if you have a slightly different customer with all the same information. That would be a little weird. I do know one guy will take his customer and he'll have a regular customer name, and then he works on different, I think it was tractors for this customer, and so he'll make several copies of the customer, each one for a different tractor, and then he puts the tractor name after the customer name, and that is how he keeps a history of all the work that he's done on each separate tractor, is that he has the customer's name and then his tractor name, so he makes multiple copies of the customers for each tractor they have. I found that pretty interesting. You pick up tips and ways to do things yourself when you're coming across a lot of different customers, so I found that one pretty ingenious. But that is pretty much a broad overview of how you can use copy to copy different documents and different items inside of QuickBooks Point of Sale. If this was helpful to you, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you have any comments or questions, you can certainly leave those in the comments section as well. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. You have yourself a great day. Bye.